Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today, I'm not going to talk about my machine itself, but I'm going to talk about the weight of it. It's about almost 400 pounds. It is super heavy, super weight in there, all wood, steel in between. I can't move it by myself. I constantly try to relocate this behemoth of a machine somewhere easier. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have bought, and we're gonna take a look at it, see if I can move this machine. It's about 300 plus pounds. It takes about 3 guys to move this machine. So plus I'm upgrading too at the same time. I need to readjust it, remove it around. So by myself, I could carry this. Not a chance. But I'm gonna give you guys what you can do if you're working by yourself here. I'm by myself. I'm gonna do a video, what works and what doesn't work moving this thing. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. All right, just got in the mail. This is exactly how it came in. It came in a box, but we're gonna open them up and see what I'm talking about. So I show you the machine, how heavy it is, and we're gonna try to move it because this thing is just, you can't do it by yourself. It takes maybe 1 or 2 individuals, actually not even 2. It takes 3 or 4 individuals to move this machine. So let's go ahead and take a look, see what you need. So this is very compact, but it's set base to move heavy loads, and we're gonna put it to a test, see how it really works. So they give you this. It looks like pretty much like a jack, a car jack, if you guys can see, one of those handles for a crowbar, if you guys can see. Can't fit the whole thing in the camera here, but they give you 1, 2, 3, and 4 wheels. All right, so we're gonna move this behemoth and see how it really works. And this thing's meant to actually lift whatever it is, and it has to be within this space to lifting it up and adding a wheel to it. And I'm going to show you guys and see if I can instruct you how to do it. So supposedly I can move, this could go up to 800 pounds. So we're putting 400, half of it, you know. So let's put it to a test and see how well it works. We'll see if it can lift what it's talking about. So let's go ahead and try that. So find a way. No, it's gonna be impossible to move. It's supposed to move a lot of stuff. Oh, actually it did move a little bit. So we're gonna try again. Oh no, I need to find another way to lift. Find a niche. Look at this part right here. I have to put the wheel in here. See how it lifts. Putting some weight in it. Well, not. Let me see if I can lift some more. This is gonna be impossible. Almost impossible to put the wheels in there. I have to stand up. This thing's not working for it. It's not strong enough. So I'm gonna try to do it the opposite way. See if I can do it from that side, that direction. Maybe it's a directional thing. I don't want to tilt it too much, but I'm gonna lift it here. See if I can do it. Got some of it in there. No, it's gonna be impossible almost. See if I can move it a little bit more. That side. No. This is gonna be a fail. I can't get it to work. No. I'm trying everything by myself, but it's a little dangerous to put it together. This would be good for maybe a flat surface, like a flat box, something simple. You can see I already damaged some of the crowbar here. Good concept, to be honest with you, but it's not gonna be good for this thing. You know, I'm trying everything, and I'm afraid that this might fall on my hands and crush me. So I'm gonna skip it here. I'm not gonna put any more pressure on this thing as it is, and I'm gonna bypass this, get the other one out. See, these are actually little tiny wheels. I mean, 800 pounds on 4 of these. It's a question, but getting them in there is a little tricky because the space is really small. I would say less than 2.5 inches by 2.5. I think you need a wider space to tuck it in there and have better retention, because balancing it's gonna be hard, especially if you don't have help and you're trying to do this yourself. And the jack is not gonna be helpful at all. So my recommendation is probably, you know, if you're gonna do something as heavy as I am, don't get this. This is not the proper equipment for that job. You're gonna need something else. So if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.